Hey, I'm Kevin Kwan from Taste of Asian Food. Today I'm going to make chicken 65, a famous Indian spicy dish. There are several versions of why this is called chicken 65. One version is that the chicken was invented in 1965, and that makes sense. Another story says that the chicken was chopped into 65 pieces. And finally, there's one more story says that there was a group of soldiers in Chennai and they was presented with a long list of items on the menu, and this chicken dish was listed as the 65 items on the menu. So whatever it is, you don't need 65 spices to make this dish. What you need is just some simple spices in your kitchen's pantry. And let me show you how to make this chicken 65 in this video. I have some chicken breast meat over here. You can use chicken thigh meat if you want. Cut it into 1 to 2 inches length. You have the option to use bone-in chicken if you want. It's really your choice. We need to marinate the chicken with a list of ingredients, but fortunately these ingredients are quite easy to get. First, ginger garlic paste. I don't have ginger garlic paste today, so I'm going to substitute it with some finely chopped ginger and garlic. This ginger, garlic, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, a teaspoon of garam masala. Now the coriander and the cumin powder is optional. If you don't have it, you can just increase the garam masala from 1 to 2 teaspoons. A quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder for the color and the flavor. Black pepper. You can refer to the recipe in the description section for the exact quantity I use. Salt. Chili powder. A little bit of red food coloring, which is completely optional. Just a little bit. A squeeze of lemon juice. And lastly, plain yogurt. Massage all the seasoning ingredients into the meat. Then set aside to marinate the chicken for at least half a day, or you can marinate it overnight if you wish, if you have enough time. Let's move on to the second part. That is to prepare some spices for tempering. So I have some green chili over here. Remove the seeds. And you may want to cut it by half if it is too big. And if you want to be spicier, add some dry chili. Same thing, remove the seeds. Some curry leaves. Since I want to deep fry the chicken, now I want to coat the chicken with some cornstarch and some flour. Until the cornstarch and the flour have incorporated fully with the chicken. Okay, so now we can proceed to deep fry the chicken. Heat the oil to about 170 degrees Celsius. Lower the chicken into the hot oil and do not disturb them for the first minute. After that, move the chicken around and turn it over and deep fry the chickens until golden brown. When the chicken turns golden brown, remove it from the oil. Give a slaughter spoon. Heat some vegetable oil in a separate pan. Add the cumin seeds and wait until it starts to crackle. Then add the ginger and the garlic. Followed by the curry leaves, and the chilies. When you smell the aroma again, add a little bit of water, about a tablespoon. And then return the chicken back to the pan. A few more curry leaves. Dish out and ready to serve. That's how to make chicken 65, a very popular Indian dish. If you want to get a recipe, I've included it in the description below the video. And don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.